Do you know this one?
How are you? It's a question mark.
Shemai, we're on campus today to see how many students know their Welsh words. See how many they get. How much Welsh do you know?
0.
0?
A fair amount.
Minimal, very, very minimal, like one word.
A little bit.
A little bit, okay.
Yeah.
Do you know what this means?
Deal. Diolch. Deal. Thank you.
Spot on, well done. What's it mean? Yeah, well done, well done. Do you know what this means?
Oh, it's a question, isn't it? Is it a question?
Thank you.
I have no idea. No idea.
Please, isn't it?
Ysgol Cynda.
Yeah, well done.
I mean, you got it right. Well done.
Please. Hey, wow, I got that awfully wrong.
Please?
He's on fire, well done.
Please! Come on, man!
Well done. An easy one. What's this?
Welcome.
Yeah, well done.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Yeah, there you go.
Welcome.
Welcome. Yeah.
Welcome.
Spot on.
Good job.
Oh, I know this one. Good morning.
Straight to it. Straight to the point. Well done. Do you know what this means?
Oh.
Spot on. Yeah, well done.
You did not know that. I promise you. Really? Yeah, my grandma as well. She was just bored.
Good evening or good afternoon?
Close. Very
Morning.
close.
Good morning? Is it good morning?
Yeah.
Morning.
Wow.
There you go. Do you know this one?
Thank you.
Not quite.
Oh, nightmare.